Ever spent hours tweaking prompts, only for your AI character to look nothing like what you pictured? Yeah, I've been there. But check this out. Now, you can build an AI character in just 15 seconds. Seriously, no design skills, no confusing software, no endless trial and error. I'm talking about the AI Character Builder app. It's designed so that literally anyone, beginner or pro, can whip up eye-popping AI characters, action figures, and more in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Open the app, pick your vibe, maybe you want chibi, anime, cinematic, photoreal, whatever. There are 31 styles to choose from. Toggle on things like realism, emotional depth, or even studio quality lighting. The app crunches the details with over 1,000 battle-tested prompt formulas, so you always get pro-level results. Got a favorite AI tool? This works seamlessly with Midjourney, DALL-E, ChatGPT, Leonardo, you name it. Just copy your custom prompt, paste it, and watch the magic happen. What can you do with it? Pretty much anything. Make art prints, design storybook characters, generate game NPCs, create merch for print on demand, build out your next comic or fiction project, or, if you're working with clients, crank out prompt content that's actually impressive. Here's the best part. You get lifetime access and full commercial use rights. So, whether you're making art for fun or selling it for profit, you're covered. No more wrestling with confusing prompts, no more hours lost to trial and error, just click, build, and go. If you're ready to level up your AI character game, and honestly, who isn't, hit the link below. Grab the app while it's still a one-time deal. Trust me, this is the shortcut you've been waiting for.